Hello, I am Nandini. Today we write 40 and 50 table trick. Consider 40. We write two columns. First column we write 1 1 ja table, 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3, 1 4 ja 4, 1 5 ja 5, 1 6 ja 6, 1 7 ja 7, 1 8 ja 8, 1 9 ja 9, 1 10 ja 10. After consider second column we write 4 1 ja table, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28, 4 8 ja 32, 4 9 ja 36, 4 10 ja 40. See, next we write 1 4, 2 8, 3 plus 1 is 4, 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, 6, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, 0, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, 4, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11, 2, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12, 6, 10 plus 4 is 14, 0. This is the 14 table. Next we consider 15 table. It is also considered two columns. First column we write 1 1 ja table, 1 4 ja 4, 1 5 ja 5, 1 6 ja 6, 1 7 ja 7, 1 8 ja 8, 1 9 ja 9, 1 10 ja 10. After we write 5 table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Next we write 1 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, 0, 3 plus 1 is 4, 5, 4 plus 2 is 6, 0, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5, 6 plus 3 is 9, 0, 7 plus 3 is 10, 5, 8 plus 4 is 12, 0, 9 plus 4 is 13, 5, 10 plus 5 is 15, 0. It is 50 table.